What if you could clean your entire home in one single pass? No more using the broom, which will make dust fly all over, and another pass for mopping after. Here's an alternative for you. One sleek device which can vacuum, mop, and self-clean, and do it so much better than your current setup. This is the Dreame K10 Pro Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. This video is made in collaboration with Dreame, but as always, experiences and opinions are my own. Let's start with the wet mess test. Let's give it a real challenge. I've spilled a mix of sauce, coffee powder, some oats and water on the floor. As you can see, the mess is almost gone in a single pass. Running multiple passes makes the mess almost non-existent. It does not leave any water on the floor after the cleaning run. This is due to the rubber scraper at the bottom. With a 15 kPa suction power, this vacuum cleaner makes cleaning wet messes really easy. It has a dual tank system, one clean water tank that is 890 ml and one dirty water tank that is 600 ml in size. It always cleans with clean water and all the wet and dry mess gets collected in the dirty water tank. It can run continuously for 30 minutes with a single charge, good enough to run one cleaning run of a 3-bedroom house. Now let's look at the dry vacuuming and the edge cleaning capabilities. The vacuum can pick up even dry dust and hair off the floor without blowing it around, which is common when we use the broom in our house. It can go almost up to the edge of the floor, thereby cleaning edges and corners with ease as well. This vacuum mop is self-cleaning. Have you ever noticed how dirty our mops are after a few uses? This vacuum cleaner has a self-cleaning option which cleans the roller brush after every cleaning run. We just have to place it on the dock, press a button, and it cleans the brush and the internal piping. It uses the clean water from the clean water tank, cleans the brush in just a few minutes, and discards the dirty water in the dirty water tank. See how clean and dry the mop is after the self-cleaning run? That said, you cannot use the roller brush forever. It is recommended to change it every 3 to 6 months for better cleaning, and the roller brush replacements can be purchased online. Being less than 4 kgs in weight and the fact that it propels itself forward when we tilt the handle backward, we don't need to put too much effort into vacuuming or mopping when we are using this vacuum mop. It is sturdy enough to do the job well and sleek enough to store away in a corner of the house. Whether you have tile, marble, wooden floors or laminate, this vacuum cleaner can handle both vacuuming and mopping with ease, including the edges. I know many of you have mentioned to me about the service network of Dreame and the challenges. Dreame has been expanding their service network in India, now already covering 165 cities in India and expand. If you found this video useful, share this video and subscribe to become part of the 1.3 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.